Shut up. I think they're going away. Fuck. I hate my life.
Don't hold back. That one sounded sweet.
Stop! It was something in my eye. Being an asshole.
Ouch, ouch, ouch. I'm putting this on YouTube to let everybody know that men are not all abusers.
I don't fucking like you.
No, obviously, look at my fucking leg.
My chest hurts.
Ow.
Ow! Dick! I hate you.
I love you.
I don't care. Get it out. Stop it. Ow.
I hope I could hear that on there. That was pretty. Take sips of water. Here. Or hold your breath. Don't hold it too long now. Or do I need to use sign language? Since you can't hear.
There's my sign language, asshole.
Cause you held your breath for like 5 seconds.
I'm a smoker. Eat shit. Quit fucking recording me.
No, I'm really gonna put this on YouTube.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Watch me.
Joshua. Fucking light your hair on fire.
Don't say my name. Yeah, because smoke is gonna make anything better. You're gonna be putting smoke in your mouth. I'm telling you, take sips of water.
Ow. Do you have any matches?
No.
Corey does.
Eh, well. Here. I'll splash this on you.
Oh my god, I think I broke my pinky.
Good.
I'm not even kidding.